Start.
Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Danial ISKANDAR ZAMAL. Today I want to talk about Ledang Waterfall. I want to ask you something. Have you ever heard about Ledang before?
No.
No.
Yes.
The names Ledang carries a story of one of legends. What's the call of legend is?
Putri Gunung
Yes. That's Putri Gunung Ledang is a mythical figure who lived on the top of the mountain. So, the Mount Ledang is protected by Johor government in 2004 because the Johor government went to the key originality of mountain itself. So I want to go to the location first. The location of Mount Ledang Waterfall is at Gunung Ledang National Park at Johor. It's not far from here that you can go. There's not over 1 hour to reach the destination. The mount itself stands at 1,276 meters above sea level. This is because in your point of view, on the way you went to go to this Mount Ledang Waterfall, you will see from the far the Mount Ledang itself. Because from the far you will see the biggest and the tall the mountain itself. Next we go to the trail to the waterfall. The trail is take to 3 to 4 kilometers from the park entrance. When you entrance the Mount Ledang Waterfall, the first step you step in the entrance, that you hear the birds singing the song from in the tropical rainforest. That give you a new experience. That give you benefit for you to when to go to the healing. That this place is the top one if you want to go to healing. So it's also popular road for hikers leading to the peak of the mountain Mount Ledang Waterfall. So this is, if you don't know, this is Princess Mount Ledang. This is the most famous legends, that a beautiful princess that lived on the mountain. The princess was courted by the Sultan of Malacca that set impossible condition that Princess Mount Ledang that don't want to marry Sultan Malacca yet. So that's why they set the condition to Sultan Malacca Harman. So next we go to the aspect. Then first, in Mount Ledang Waterfall, you can see a tropical rainforest and flora and fauna. The tropical rainforest, with surrounding with a waterfall that have given waterfall be the one of the attraction for the visitor. So the surrounding of the waterfall have tall trees and have flora and fauna that's given. They also have, we can do activities such as hiking, camping and swimming in natural pools. Visitors can enjoy the nature while doing activity, because if you want to go to the Ledang Waterfall, you need to you want to go back home with a new fresh of you. That so that you want to do some activity in Ledang Waterfall, so that you need to you can get the fresh air at there, and that give you boost in your life. So in conclusion, the Ledang Waterfall is more than just a natural wonder. This Ledang Waterfall can with its surrounding of tropical rainforest and with that have a rich culture background. Ledang Waterfall stands as one of Asia's most treasured natural attraction in Malaysia and Johor. So that so that visitors that want to come to Johor, they can go to the Ledang Waterfall to then go to the Ledang Waterfall if they want to refreshing themselves. That's all I got. Thank you.
Yay!